These changes also include a kind of restart, which also affects all videos on my channel. Hello guys, I just wanna announce some stuff related to my channel and upcoming changes. As you may already notice, I have a new microphone to make the upcoming videos even better for you guys. These changes also include a kind of restart, which also affects all videos on my channel. But don't worry, all videos will be still available for you guys, but I'll set them as not listed, so they will not appear on my channel anymore. But you will find links to the playlist I prepared down below in the video description. And there's already a new reworked series planned, and I would be glad to see you there again. So stay tuned, and I thank you all for supporting me and watching my videos.